Hi and welcome to my channel. This is Pearl and I have my final December daily flip through. So let's go ahead and get started. Look at how chunky this is. It's crazy. But this is one of my favorite projects of the year, this and Week in the Life. Both of them are with Ali Edwards Community and you can go check out her website. I will go ahead and link that down below. So this is using the Felicity Jane, Noel, and Cozy kit. I also used some elements from the Ali Edwards website, and I'll let you know where I did that. So first I have this Have Yourself a Merry Christmas. I used a screen print and did that while I was up at the December Daily Prep Party, which is where 6 of us got together in Sacramento and we were all together to do Ali Edwards live December Daily Prep Party. So we all got together. That was fun. This is a picture of the kids in front of the Christmas tree and I printed this on vellum. Now this is about the December Daily Prep Party. Autumn, she has a dealer who gave her this postcard. We ate this like crazy and I ate it all month, just so you know. And then Autumn made us this postcard. Isn't that so awesome? We had a pajama party. And then this is my reason why with the Felicity Jane. This is on the 1st of December when we went to a Christmas tree lighting. We take a picture with the same Santa every year. And my kids got to push the light to turn the Christmas tree on for the Christmas tree lighting. This is when the elves brought advent calendars for the kids, and there they are. The letter that they brought, and I just stitched while I was up in Sacramento this together with vellum and acetate and papers from Felicity Jane. Just some pictures. This one I did using the panoramic view and then I just swiped all the way up or swung my camera all the way up to get this picture. And then this has a picture of my son and then I made a little dangling thing with wood veneer and stuff. Then I have this Christmas tree truck. This I also made at the December Daily Prep Party. I used a stencil to do the gingham right there. Did some journaling and pictures here. These are tickets to go see the Nutcracker, my daughter with her friend. This is that program. These are dividers from the Felicity Jane kit. This is from the Ali Edwards 3x8 with Paisley Press. And she won the cookie decorating for the most creative. And I wrote, "This is magic," and that's on the 4x6 portion of this page protector. We made this as well, and I documented the nursing girls and I, we get together every year for Christmas. I just did a little scrapbook page about my daughter. This gratitude is from Ali Edwards Gratitude Story Kit, so is this. And then I did this. It's the square 2x2s and I used the Grateful For from her kit and I just typed a bunch of things in here. This was using her digital kit. 10 things I'm grateful for. This In-N-Out hamburger wrapper, my son had to go get that for me. And here's a picture of us at In-N-Out. My sons went to a white elephant party, celebrating my birthday 2 months late. Another favorite things party. And this acetate. This is from the Ali Edwards chipboard bundle. The dance party at my daughter's dance studio. Masterclass. I love how this came out. We die cut this at the December Daily Prep Party. Put a string through and then you have this. I typed my journaling onto vellum. I painted using a stencil for these on acetate. Love how that turned out. This is a wreath here, and we did this also at the December Daily Prep Party. I used the Ali Edwards Magic stamp from her story kit. Stamped all of that before I made that wreath. And then here I did all the journaling about how my daughter earned herself a mani and pedi. This is when we went to go see The Grinch. I didn't know how I was going to put the program in here. I just ended up tearing out the front page of that program and putting it in here. I did scan some of the pages with the actors in it. So I have that if I decide I want to put that in as well. Cozy, quiet morning when the kids are all at school. This is another screen print, Simple Joys of Holidays at Home. And I just put that on acetate and punched holes. This is a picture of my son at his school exhibition and how he drew a picture of our family. My other son at exhibition and the poem, Freedom poem he wrote. Now we made this at the December Daily prep party. We cut a bunch of, or Laura did I should say, punched a bunch of the Starbucks red cups. And then I also put pictures of my daughter with her fever. And then a couple of ornaments on this side. A picture of my adult tree. And then these are envelopes of the Christmas cards I sent out, and I put on a vellum. I printed this out using the Felicity Jane Cozy Kit, and I put 173. That's how many cards I sent out this year. And then this is just a shaker card that I made using the Fuse tool, and what I had was a template of all these hexagons on a piece of paper. We put glass over it, and then as I would fill each one and then fuse it closed. So that's that. Picture of me getting ready to wrap everything. Lunch with one of my girlfriends. This is where the Santa letters are. And this is what Santa brought. Annual season passes. This is the elves saying goodbye. This is the night before Christmas. This is the before and after of my kids. They always get things like pajamas, socks, books, that kind of thing. And then my son going out with his friend, and then I wrote a letter to each of my kids and I put them in here like that. I'm not going to pull them all out, but I do have a playlist and I'll link it in the description box down below. Picture of my son playing with something from Christmas, my family celebrating Christmas and New Year's. This is all my kids bowing, my kids and my niece and nephews bowing to the adults, and then how much money my kids earned. And New Year's Eve, my parents getting new phones. So that is my December daily for 2019. Thank you so much for joining me. I will have all the videos or the playlist of the December daily linked down below. I have one for every single day. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.